A stunning set of photos captured by photographer James Crombie show a massive flock of starlings forming the shape of a giant bird as they flew in formation over a lake in Ireland. The pictures captured on March 2nd show the flock of starlings flying over Low Ennell County, Westmeath, near the town of Mullingar. The perfect synchronized flying forms a giant bird shape that is also reflected on the water below. The photographer said he had to travel to Low Ennell around 50 times in order to find the perfect location to take the pictures. Crombie said he had to take between 400 and 500 shots before finally capturing the perfect pictures. The starlings are seen making a murmuration. A murmuration is the phenomena that occurs when hundreds or even thousands of starlings fly in coordinated patterns in the sky.